Okay, so there's supposed to be a national alert here pretty soon. It's past 10:15, but I don't know if it's ever gonna come on. I have the radio on, and this, I have a phone recording, and I have the live TV. So,
Perdón, 253-500-7512. Ese es el número del WhatsAppazo al cual tú te puedes reportar. Me dices, por supuesto, qué lo que estás haciendo y cuéntame.
And also, supposedly, the siren's gonna go off outside. The siren you hear in the background is on the TV. Oh my goodness. The siren just activated. Hold on. Let's see. The siren activated outside. Yep. It's so quiet though. I remember being way louder than last time.
Be sure to monitor the humidity and dampness within your own home to prevent indoor mold triggers. For AccuWeather, I'm Julia Easter.
Well, it's super late.
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. To participate in today's Great Washington Shakeout statewide earthquake drill, drop, cover, and hold on now. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill.
Yeah, today was the shakeout drill, so the entire state is getting the test over, like in the coastal side.
In a warmer, drier season across the south, possibly leading to drought. The winter isn't the only season that will mean...
Bro, why didn't this receive it? That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna go back over here.
Well, at least something came on.
Wait, hold on.
Because they say anything in Spanish, this is a test. Nothing? It was just a siren? It's too
Yeah, like half the population in the state is Hispanic. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. At least we got something, so this video isn't boring. And bye.